Hello everyone, I'm Vidya. Welcome back to my channel. Behind every successful event, there is a strong vision, dedication, and a lot of hard work. And this beautiful initiative is driven by Sindhu. In this journey, Sindhu has shared in a very simple and lovely way how she got an idea for this event, how she planned everything step by step, and the challenges she faced while making it successful. She also expressed her heartfelt thanks to everyone who supported her in this journey and helped make this event so special. So let's listen to Sindhu's inspiring journey in her own words.
Hi, I'm Sindhu. I first time I organized this kind of event. This is the event combined with the one layout and four apartments: Ramanashi California Garden layout, Green Square Apartments, Commandos Vista, then Balaji Serene, and Century Terrace. Uh, it's on account of Women's Day. We organize this, so women's are more gathered here. It's a very nice event. How it came to my mind, as Vidya is asking me, I always had a vision of getting women into one platform always, because I myself kept a business several years back. I had my own ups and downs, and I had nobody to support me or not even help me or nothing. So then I always thought, if anybody wants to do something, how they will get, who will help in this Bangalore, in this, like no play, nobody is ours, that kind of thing here in Bangalore. So I always thought about that. If any woman wants to start something, I need to be there, like whatever I can do, whatever in my, this was always in my mind. But when I just it came in my mind, my Niharika ma'am, she was discussing, then we had an idea this clubhouse can be used, and I don't know, what a coincidence, Vidya from Green Square, she helped me a lot. Actually, when I approached her, she was clueless, what is this exactly I'm going to do. But she told, okay, whatever you do, Sindhu, I'll support in the place. I can support with the place. I can do some housekeeping and all, but rest is yours. So I, okay, then I told, okay. Then the issue came with the how much to keep the prices, stall prices, how to approach people, and how to make guidelines, so that nobody from outside should do the marketing here for the first time when we are doing. So the plan was, the intention was to bring women who are doing something at their home, and without they don't know how to scale up, or if they want to start something and how to get the market, and if they know something how they can expand their business, all these women should get a platform. That was my intention. So I made it very clear in my 12 13 pages PDF that this should be the guidelines. People, I don't know whether they read the full PDF or the not, but I made it very clear about only in-house people should participate, only women should participate, only women should have the experience of being in a stall, how to talk with the people, how to get connected with the customers, how to expect the sale or not sale, how to take the success and not so successful of any sales, these kind of things, how to present it, how to do the neat presentation in front of the this one customers, how to make their own business cards, how to keep a name to their business, everything I wanted them to learn, so that they can have a little bit of confidence to go into the mainstream. So that was my intention, and people really responded well. And but the next problem was doing the marketing, means in the sense of not only participating is not important, but for the participant you need to pull the customers also. So that was the major question, I mean major challenge in front of me. But what I did, as much possible, I approached committees, different committees of different departments. Thankfully, what I don't know, everybody responded very well. Everybody responded to the idea, even though they didn't get the full concept, but they responded that okay, we are in with you. And they started marketing, they started circulating in their respective groups, in their respective. They allowed me to put my this events poster in their respective apartments, and it got successful to some extent now. And as I can see today, somebody was telling the footfall was more than 500 maybe. So I don't know, I don't have the count still now, but yes. And it's not about getting the sales, it's about getting the leads. And many people were telling we didn't know this much of talent is there in our surrounding, we never knew. We and some other told me I don't know what to do in the weekends, but this is well spent weekend for us. So that is another thing, that was the intention also. Now another thing is, many people for the first time who kept their stall, they are on ninth cloud, because they learned so many things. Some introvert, my one of my introvert friend, she is so happy today. She made some sales, and she told, from my cocoon you took me out, and now I am talking with people, Sindhu, she is telling. And one who is sitting behind this camera, who is shooting me, is another person who I wanted to, she just started her YouTube journey, who I wanted to cover the whole this one, so that she get a full day coverage content. And she will be busy whole month now, the women's month. So this is how we are making into people into getting into work. So there are many bakers, many food stalls, and crochet, then gift articles, then painters, nice craft things. Everything is there. Saris are there, clothings are there. They got a good sale, and they are very happy, and they are looking forward to make to organize these kind of more events. They're asking me now only. Yes, challenges were there, but end result is अभी भगवान को जब देखने जाते हैं तो टेम्पल में क्यू में रुकना पड़ता है ना, दैट हर्ट्स. बट व्हेन यू सी द भगवान का दर्शन हो जाते हैं, you forget everything. The same kind of feeling. I'm happy that people are happy. My intention, my whatever desired goal was there, that is been fulfilled. Now let us see what the God has better plan. Maybe next time more better things we can do. Let us see. And this is not my I didn't do alone. Many people are there, like Vidya from Green Square, Vidya from Balaji Seren, Sushma, Niharika is my pillar, she is my everything. And and even participants are very much cooperating today. No complaints, no chick, nothing. That's it. This is what I intended to do. I hope I am succeeded in some. So thank you for shooting me. Thank you.
And that was Sindhu's beautiful journey. A story full of passion, courage, and hard work. Her journey shows us that no dreams is too big if you believe in yourself and take the first step. If her story inspired you, don't forget to support, share, and appreciate such amazing efforts around us. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with more inspiring stories very soon.